Today I'm going to be reviewing the PowerSmith ash vacuum, model number PAVC102. I purchased my vacuum from Amazon 2 years ago, and it came with the following accessories: 10-foot hose, 2 filters, brush tool, crevice tool, and a clear hose. These are its features as listed on the PowerSmith website. I've had this vacuum for 2 seasons. What I like about it is the long cord, 10-foot hose. Also like that it has 2 filters. Let's take a look at a filter. I've been using this filter for 2 seasons. As you can see, it is starting to tear. The filter has 2 parts to it: the fiberglass outer filter and the inner filter. As you can see, the fiberglass outer filter is starting to tear. Like I said, this is the 2nd season using this filter. This is what a brand new filter looks like. In addition, there is a filter on the motor. The vacuum comes with a few accessories. The crevice tool, probably what I use the most. It is cracking. I've had to repair it with some tape. The brush still looks in good condition. This tube tool I've only used once, and honestly I find it not very useful. Overall, I do like my ash vacuum and I would definitely recommend it.